Hi guys, and welcome to another replay. This time it's a cruiser. It's a tier 6 American cruiser, the Cleveland, in a tier 6 game, and it looks pretty good. There aren't that many tier 6s, so that's good. And most people like the Cleveland. I do too. This is a game from back when I was doing some of the missions. Those fancy, colorful ships. Oh, by the way, if it's possible to hear some music in the background, it's because there's a party going on outside. Sorry, can't do anything about that. It's getting late and they're still going on. They have karaoke night. Anyways, so I was doing the missions, I was killing destroyers, setting fires. I basically used this ship for almost everything except the plane mission part of it. So I played a ton of games. I had to rebuy it because I unlocked the tier 7, but it wasn't fully upgraded, so I chose to buy this one again. But anyways, there's a cool. Looks like he's about to be a torpedo or two. Yeah. Nice torpedoes. Gremiashki coming around. Ooh, just missed him. Two torpedoes, I think. Well, let's see if we can hit him first. That was an okay hit. And he sailed right into those. So, we're winning 2-1. Thanks to those two destroyers. Apparently they knew what they were doing.
Torpedoes, direct front.
That in chat. One of them is having his own torpedo problems.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Oh well, we are winning, so that's good. Let's see if we can keep it that way. And I'm going to... Yeah, I'm not sure why he decided to turn into me there, but... And... cost that many hit points.
Torpedoes, direct front.
So...
Torpedoes,
I
dead
took
ahead.
what? 8 damage. The bad part is that I'll have to pay.
Direct front.
The game's a little weird in that sense. Someone sails into you, and you have to pay part of it. But I see torpedoes coming in my direction. But, yeah. I'm guessing a Russian destroyer, maybe? He's not pointing his guns at me. Yet. We will need to shoot him. Set him on fire. That's always good. We like fires.
Torpedoes astern.
Fire. Oh, almost 3,000. That was a good hit. Oh no!
Torpedoes astern.
A little destroyer. Gassy wanted to shoot it. Oops, we're being camped. Someone went through the middle. That's big. So, let's see. Can we hit him? Yes. Not the best. And... oops. Rock. Slowing down and I missed. Just missed. And I'm guessing he used his repair because he's sitting still.
Damaged.
Just to aim a little bit, he is slowing down. Stopping. Down to 1.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
Come on. Come on, put him out of his misery. Oops. After turns fired. Well, I'm guessing the other ones hit that island. Oh well, got a kill. So now it's 3-3, and speaking of destroyers, here, the battleship is
Torpedoes to port.
pretty much suiciding. He's sailing in between 3 people. Torpedoes! He's in a battleship. I don't think they teach you that at battleship school. Don't play many battleships myself. And... oh, don't get short. Come on. You want to? That's good. He's turning. But
The ship is on fire.
3,000. also turning here because, well, you never know. I don't think he launched at me, though. But still, destroyer. There, you need to get the ship moving, turning. Good hit as well. Get him. Yeah, hit him. Boom. That was good. And another destroyer. So many destroyers. In front of these torpedoes. Not that one. The one I just killed. Another good hit. Sorry. Let's see. He's turning as best as he can. Just missed. He's wiggling his ship the best he can. I still hit him though. Shell. And well, oh, there he is. He's getting too close. You don't want to get this close to Cleveland. I know that from experience. It hurts. It hurts a little more if you actually hit. Some issues with that. Oh well. Got a good one there, but yeah, those fall short. Come on, hit him, kill him, sink him. Yeah, a little bit more. But he pops smoke, so that's about it. And if anyone has been paying attention to the team, from 3-3, we have now lost 4 ships, and they only lost 1. So, yeah, not looking good. And there are the torpedoes from the Minikaze. Let's see, it's Omaha, and we just lost another ship. So that's not so good. Whee! Short. I hate that. Just hit him, okay? Not supposed to be this difficult. Enemies are supposed to sail in straight lines. Broadside on. That's it. I'm not going to hit those either. Let's see. We have him. Luckily he can't hit either. He's about as close as I am. I'm firing HE at him. Missed again. Before too short, now too long. Not easy. But I'm firing HE at him because he's twisting and turning, so getting a penetration at these angles, not that easy. And he's getting closer as well. Ooh, that was a good one. 2000. Set him on fire, that's always nice. And we're now being capped. So, it's not looking good. Hit him again. And now he is broadside on, but I have HE loaded. I guess I could have switched, but yeah, look, he's turning again, so luckily I'm on nearly full health. And taking damage. More good hits. Knocked out something, set him on fire. Oops. Yellow now. 700 took out his torpedo tubes. Yeah. So close enough to use them anyway, so that doesn't really matter. It's not really a fight he wants to be in. I think he's trying to close the distance so he can actually use his torpedoes, but nah, I don't want to do that. This range is better for me. I have better guns than him. More often. Well, at least that he can point all of his at me. He's burning in 2 places. At least. All good hits. Ooh, he also hit me. He's definitely selling himself. Oops, he's on fire also. My fire is out. Still on half my health. Just repaired. Don't want to repair it too early. Never know. Might get set on fire again. Come on, kill him! 300 hit points left. Ooh, I hit him. 1 shot, but that did not kill him. So, come on. Turning. That looks good. Yeah. He died. But he did do another couple of thousand damage to me before going down. And that's a destroyer. I'm guessing that was the guy who capped before. And there's my brother from another mother or shipyard. I don't know. But it's a Cleveland, and he's within range, shooting at what appears to have been an AFK destroyer. So yeah. And he has seen me. I've gotten his attention. And he missed me. I missed him. Basically sailing straight towards him. I'm not sure what he's firing, but I'm still going with the HE. The angle is not very good. So did no damage, no. Now he's broadside on. So time to change, maybe? 12 piercing? Yeah, time to do one firing him. I think I was actually on the fire mission. So that could also be why I'm just spamming the HE here. Need those fires. And he is dead now. Boom. But yeah. Now we're 2 against 5. And they're missing like 75 points. Not looking good. And yeah, got 4 kills. Writing in chat, well, I tried. I really did. I don't think you can blame me for what is about to happen. Well, I'm kind of sailing back here because that Minakaze that I almost managed to kill before, well, he was over there, so yeah. Anyways, there's the Suki. Some incoming shells from,
Enemy destroyer
I don't know.
sunk.
There's a cruiser over there. Ooh, that looks cute. And boom. Yep. Kraken. And yep. 2 against 4. But that guy's 35 hit points. And I got the attention of something. I just took a hit from somewhere. And someone on the other team is calling us noobs. Yeah, well. That might be. Okay, so let's take a look at the results. It was a defeat. Yeah. But I still made 256,000 credits. That's very good on a defeat. 1465 experience. And that is a base. So yeah. Good. Only 139 hits with my guns. Well, it's not like I have anything else to hit with, but anyways. Killed 5, got the Kraken, 13 fires, and I was trying to set as many fires as possible. I think for that Miyoko mission, or Destruction at Sea, don't recall which one, but it doesn't really matter. But that looks okay to me. So, looking at the 2 teams, not surprisingly, I finished first on my team. With those 1465, the next guy got nearly 1,000. I mean, he was in tier 4, so he definitely had a good game. Can't blame him for anything. I guess we could blame that Minikaze who was AFK the whole game. Did absolutely nothing except getting killed. But well, the other team, most of the team with more than 1,000 experience, so pretty well balanced team, I would say. They did well. No one really got all the kills. I mean, the Fuso got 3, but well, they shared the kills. So pretty good team. Congrats to you guys. And finally, looking at damage done, I only fired AG. Again, the setting fire missions, I think. But roughly 62,000, which is pretty nice. Could have been much better, of course, but we can't complain. And just about 18,000 from fires. So yeah, should we just call that 80,000 damage in total? I guess we will. So that was a pretty okay game. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye bye.